cloudy day today. We are in Florinas. We are trying to show you this house in the best weather, but lately it's been raining quite a lot. So let's go and peek inside this wonderful countryside house. We have 1 hectare of land, well actually 3, but 2 are optional if you need a lot of land for your horses, for your animals. So for a farm, that's the right solution for you. We may even see the water well, right there, next to the... Right there is the water well. And it's been raining a lot lately, so the water you see in there is not a pond, it's just a big puddle. And there you go, so that's the front of the house. 2 separate entrances, one from the ground floor, right here, and the other one from the upper floor. On the side here, we have a storage room that has also a shower. Let's get in. And from here we have, as I said, the storage room with a bathroom, and on the side here there is the ground floor laundry room that could also be turned into a kitchen, and the other entrance. And we have another kitchen here, and there is a bathroom and 2 bedrooms. Let's go upstairs. So from the main entrances we may go upstairs here, and of course you can close here and have 2 separate units. So you may want to rent one and live in the other one. With this wonderful staircase with a lot of light, natural light, you can see that the top floor has a wonderful terracotta flooring, Florence style. That's the main living room with the mezzanine, and upstairs there is another extra room that at the moment is not accessible. They wanted to build a staircase, a wooden staircase, but if you do it, you may have your room with a studio or movie room. And the kitchen here in a wonderful Italian style. I know I'm saying wonderful quite a lot, but look here, look at the details. Real wood, handmade furniture on one side. On the other side there is the fireplace and the dining table. From these sliding doors we have 2 separate bathrooms, one here and the other one on this side. Just look, the beautiful Sardinian tiles, and a big shower on this side. Bedrooms, we have 3 of them right here, 2 single bedrooms like this one here, and the other one next to it. And there is the master bedroom that is very big in traditional Sardinian style, where you can have all the space you need and a balcony. Let's go outside and see the terrace. Let's move through the house and notice the natural light. And oh, hi fireplace. There you go again. Big windows. So we are surrounded by light in this house. And outside, there you go. Terrace. You can see the whole land around here. And of course, that's the town of Florinas. It's just 1 minute drive from here. And speaking of distances, there's Sassari, the biggest city in the northern Sardinia, that is around 20 minutes drive away from here. So if you're looking for a countryside house with nice details, a lot of light, well, this is the house that may be the right choice for you. If you want to move to Sardinia and have all of this, just drop a message and let us know.